Hi guys, and today is a new video about the TikTok application. So if you want to post high quality videos on this app, let's check our guide to the very end. So I will start with the CapCut application as I want to increase the quality of my video. Let's tap on the new project icon and I will use this video as an example. Before I will show you how to manage the quality, I also want to delete the logo end of the video. And guys, let's talk about what quality does TikTok support. You need to remember about the aspect ratio is 9:16 and the pixel resolution is 1080 to the 1920. You need to remember about it because TikTok don't allow you to post video with another quality. So the file format will be the MOV or MP4, and about how many frames per second on TikTok is typically like 24, 25 or 30 frames per second. And please don't resample, as the TikTok usually creates some errors with your TikTok. The image can be shaken and you will see that your TikTok won't have the good quality because of this resample. So guys, let's talk about how to increase video to make your TikTok better. I will tap on this icon at the top and I will also click on this smart HDR toggle. So it needs to be the green, and remember about this option as I said. So the best frame rate is only 30. The resolution, the best one, is only, as I said, the 1080, not 4K, not 2K, unfortunately. And let's save this video by tapping on this save icon at the top. Done. And guys, let's post our newly created video on our TikTok app. So I will go to the TikTok and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So as usual, we need to go to the gallery and I will use this video as the last one. Okay, so I don't want to change anything, so let's tap on the next. And don't forget to go to the more options section, because here we need to activate the allow high quality uploads. So this switch needs to be the green. And later let's tap on the cross to save all these changes and let's post our TikTok. So let's check it. Please wait some time because. So I hope that our internet connection is good and let's check it. Yes guys, so right now we have our newly uploaded TikTok and this is the best way to create the more video with the best quality and the best resolution. And I really hope that this tutorial was useful and interesting. Don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our channel to find even more cool guides and tutorials about the TikTok and other apps. So guys, good luck! Goodbye!